Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. It's good to have you back. Today we are going to look at Fibonacci retracement levels to find some really good entries on our trades. Okay, so this is what we're going to focus on. There's a certain level called the golden zone that we look for when using Fibonacci retracement levels. So that's what we're going to focus on today and try and pinpoint some good trades. Itchy nose. So guys, this is euro pound. First of all, we need to understand structure and understand the trend, okay? So as you can see, guys, on this day chart, this is now in a downtrend. When these lows broke, we've got lower lows, okay? So for me, we're in a downtrend. We've also potentially got lower highs, okay? So we're seeing lower highs, lower lows. So we're in this downward channel, okay? So now we've identified the trend, we are now going to look at plotting fib levels, okay? So, you know, any platform you use is going to have fib levels, all right? So here's mine here on the left, and how you plot it is this. On a downtrend, you take the highest point on the downtrend, and then you drag the Fibonacci levels down to the previous low, okay? Like so, okay? So, yeah, previous low, I've plotted with this level and these last highs. And as you can see, once you've plotted the fib levels, let's zoom in, it gives you these levels, 0.618, 0.5, 0.382, okay? So price can react at any of these levels. Once price comes back down and it retraces, it could react to this level, come down, could react at the 0.5 and come down, could react at the 0.618 and come down. But the golden zone is this. It is the area between 0.618 and 0.5, okay? So this area through here, bear with me, I'm drawing with a mouse pen. This isn't easy, okay? But this, guys, is the golden zone. I've even done it in kind of a gold pen, more yellow. But this is the golden zone, okay? So once price retraces into this zone, yeah, we're looking for shorts on a downtrend, okay? As you can imagine, guys, when price retraces, imagine it as an elastic band. So price has dropped down and then it's retracing. So every time it retraces, you're pulling that elastic band until eventually you let go of that elastic band. And from this level, price will want to push lower. Okay, potentially back down to these lows would be my target. All right, so that is the golden zone. If you hear anyone talk about the golden zone, that is it. This area between 0.618 and 0.5. And then as you can see on this chart, guys, we've had this very bearish candle form, you know, at that zone. Yeah, it does come out of the zone a little bit, but it quickly closes back into that zone. So, yeah, this would be a good opportunity to look for sells back down to these levels here. So that's all we're looking for, guys. It's a very simple strategy. Yeah, you identify the trend. Okay, this is in a downtrend. All right. Okay, because we've got lower lows. Yeah, identify the trend. Plot your fib levels from the highest point to the lowest point of that trend. Wait for the retrace. Wait for this golden zone in here. Yeah, and when we get a reaction in this golden zone, we can start shorting this pair. It's as simple as that, guys. All right. So we've had the reaction. Yeah, we could potentially enter here, put your stop above here, and look to take price down to these lows. All right. So yeah, pretty simple. Let's look at another example now. So this example, guys, is New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. And again, this is on the day chart, okay? These grey zones you're seeing are just my support and resistance levels, okay? So Remember, identify the trend. Yeah, what trend are we in? So we have broken these highs. As soon as we've broken these highs, we are in an uptrend, and we're potentially looking for price to do something like this. Okay, yeah, but we're in an uptrend. Then we plot our fib levels. If we're on an uptrend, we go from the bottom, the last low, up to the last high. Okay. And again, we've got our fib levels. Yeah, we've got 0.382, 0.5, 0.618. But we know the golden zone is in here between 0.5 and 0.618. This is the golden zone of fib retracements. What a fancy name. All right. And then as you can see, guys, currently, this is a live trade now. Currently, we're getting a nice reaction out of that box. I mean, it's literally come into the box. It doesn't matter if it comes into the box a little bit, here, you know, comes outside a little bit, but as long as we get a reaction in this golden zone, okay? And so far, we have, okay? So potentially, I'm now interested in buying this pair, potentially back up to these last highs. All right, so it's as simple as that, guys. Identify the trend, wait for that retrace back into the golden zone, then look for buys. All right, but we need a reaction, and we're definitely getting a reaction as we speak. So this is another good example of how we use fib retracements on the New Zealand yen, and this is an uptrend, an example of an uptrend. All right, let's take a look at another example now on a different time frame. The next example is this, guys, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and we're looking at the H4 chart now. So before I show you this example, guys, if you're enjoying this simple strategy and also would like to receive my trade ideas every day, then come join the channel, guys, yeah? Subscribe to the channel, smash the notifications button, smash the like button. We'd love to have you on the channel. We've also got a free Discord channel, guys, so why not check that out as well? Okay, so Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, H4 chart. So at this point, you can clearly see we are in a downtrend, okay? But as soon as we break these highs through here, we are in an uptrend, okay? We've had a structure change. We're now in an uptrend. Once we break that structure, yeah, we think to ourselves, where could we enter? All right, and this is where the fib levels work wonderfully. So plot your fib levels. Remember, we're now in an uptrend, so get your fib level. We're going to plot from the lows up to the highs. Let's move this a little bit across. Okay, so as you can see, guys, let me zoom in a little bit. We've plotted our fib levels from the low to the last high. Okay, and then we're thinking, okay, where could we enter? Well, remember the golden zone. The golden zone is between the 0.5 and the 0.618, guys. This is the golden Fibonacci retracement zone. All right, and again, yeah, price comes up, breaks this level here, comes back down, tests the golden zone, and then pushes off. Yeah, we get a huge reaction. Look at this candle. We get a huge reaction, and then we can start buying this pair further. All right, guys. So it works on all time frames, all currency pairs. So yeah, start thinking about using Fibonacci retracements and specifically this golden zone in here as well, guys. All right, it's a real powerful tool to use. So why not add it to your already established strategy and use it as another piece of confluence, perhaps. All right, but yeah, guys, yeah, if you've liked this vid, subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you for the next vid. I hope you have a great trading day. See you later, guys.